Are you tired of typing your password every time you log in? In this video, you'll learn how to remove your user account password in Windows 11 quickly and without any extra tools. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is open up the Start menu. Just click that Windows icon sitting right there on your taskbar. From there, go ahead and open Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look over to the left panel and click on Accounts. Now, inside Accounts, scroll down a little and click on Sign In Options. You'll see a few different ways Windows lets you authenticate, but what we're focused on today is the one that says Password. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a Change button appear. Go ahead and click on that. Windows is going to ask you to verify who you are first, so go ahead and enter your current password in this field, then click Next to continue. Now here's the key part. You'll see 3 fields. Leave the first 2 completely blank. That's your new password and confirm password fields. Just leave them empty. The third field is just a password hint. You can type anything in there or leave it blank as well. It doesn't really matter at this point. So go ahead and click Next and then Finish. And Windows will save the changes immediately. So there you have it, removing a user account password in Windows 11, done entirely within the system settings.